The 3,629-meter-long bridge spans the Mystic River between Boston and Chelsea. With an estimated 225,000 rivets and 50,000 bolts, and a total of around 45,000 tons of steel, the bridge is a double-decker span that can carry 6 lanes of traffic into or out of the city. The client required a durable solution for renovating the bridge, including substructure repairs and improvements to safety walkways used by maintenance personnel. Due to limited and challenging access to the bridge structure, a bolted connection with one-sided access was required for the repair of the safety curbs on the walkway. VHB specified Hollo-Bolt due to its high strength capacity and ability to be installed from one side of the bridge steelwork. The renovation of the bridge involved installing new checker plate walkway covers on the safety curbs on each side of the bridge. Installation was quick and easy. Each bolt was inserted into pre-drilled holes and tightened with a calibrated torque wrench to the recommended tightening torque to provide the necessary clamping force. In total, over 50,000 M12 hexagonal head and M8 countersunk were used to repair the safety curbs. The Lindapter solution provided many advantages over traditional methods of bolting or welding, including shorter construction schedules, consistent quality control, and reduced disruption on site. Key benefits: fast, convenient installation from one side. Stainless steel Hollo-Bolts offer a durable and long-lasting solution. Safer installation as no hot works required. No bridge closures were needed. Countersunk Hollo-Bolts reduced potential trip hazards. For more information, visit the case study section on our website.